Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Meguiar's 3-in-1 wax is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly car care products on the market, offering a remarkable combination of cleaning, polishing, and protecting your vehicle's finish in a single, easy-to-apply formula, making it an ideal choice for both novice detailers and seasoned enthusiasts looking to achieve a showroom shine with minimal effort and time investment. Number 5. MEGUIAR'S Hybrid Spray Wax Kit. Discover the advanced car wax from MEGUIAR'S. It offers long-lasting protection and is incredibly easy to apply. Achieve a brilliant shine that endures with minimal effort. This formula is designed for convenience and superior results. Worry less about damage. Our product is safe to use on all surfaces of your vehicle, ensuring a consistent finish. Simply spray and wipe for a professional level shine. It's never been easier to maintain your car's appearance. This 18-ounce kit comes complete with a towel, providing everything you need to get started right away. Experience the difference that advanced technology makes. Keep your car looking its best with this innovative solution. What we like. This offers advanced hybrid technology for superior protection. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to add a hydrophobic layer and shine to your car, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want long-lasting results with minimal effort. What people say. This product is a great all-in-one solution for waxing your car. It cleans, polishes, and protects in one easy step. The wax leaves a deep, glossy shine that lasts for weeks. Number 4. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer. Introducing the revolutionary 3-in-1 ceramic detailer from Turtle Wax. Achieve a stunning, high-gloss shine with incredible ease. This advanced formula provides a convenient waterless wash, lifting dirt and grime without scratching. Experience the power of ceramic protection. Enjoy durable, long-lasting hydrophobic wax protection that repels water and contaminants. Keep your vehicle looking cleaner for longer. Our versatile detailer is safe for all exterior surfaces of your car. Use it with confidence on any part of your vehicle. Simplify your car care routine with this all-in-one solution. It's the ultimate way to maintain a showroom finish. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free gloss that turns heads. It's the perfect way to enhance your car's appearance. What we like. This product combines a waterless wash with ceramic protection for a brilliant shine. If you need to clean and protect your car quickly without water, or want to maintain a show car finish between full washes, this is ideal. It's perfect for those who value convenience and a glossy, protected surface. What people say. It is a great product that cleans, polishes, and protects in one step. This wax is easy to apply and remove, leaving a deep, dark shine. The 3-in-1 formula provides a durable layer of protection against the elements. Number 3. MEGUIAR'S All-in-One Polish, Shine and Paint Sealant. Introducing a revolutionary product that simplifies your detailing routine. It polishes, restores gloss, and seals your paint all in one easy step. Whether you prefer hand polishing or using a machine, this versatile formula works perfectly with both. Achieve a professional finish with your preferred method. Cut down your detailing time significantly. This single product replaces multiple steps, delivering a corrected, sealed, and mirror-like finish quickly. Experience a rich, wet-looking shine that lasts. It leaves behind a durable synthetic sealant to protect your paint from weekly washes and the elements. This incredible formula works on a wide range of surfaces. Use it on automotive paint, gel coat boats, RV panels, and even motorcycle tanks. Get show car results with this easy-to-use product. It's perfect for professional detailers and car enthusiasts alike. What we like. This is your all-in-one solution for paint correction and protection. If you're looking to save time by polishing, correcting swirls, and sealing your paint in a single step, this is the product for you. It's perfect for busy enthusiasts or professionals who want a deep gloss and lasting protection with maximum efficiency. What people say. It's a great product that cleans, polishes, and protects in one step. It leaves a deep, dark shine on my black car. It's easy to apply and remove, and it lasts a long time. Number 2. Chemical Guys XXX Hardcore Carnauba Paste Wax. Experience the ultimate deep wet warm gloss with this premium paste wax. Its hand-rubbed formula is designed for enthusiasts seeking maximum depth on their show cars. This wax boasts an impressive 47% white unbleached and yellow Carnauba by volume. It's perfect for achieving a wet look on any painted surface. Achieve that show car finish you've always wanted. It's ideal for creating a stunning wet look on any painted surface, enhancing its natural beauty. It coats your vehicle in a protective Carnauba seal, delivering a glossy, rich, and liquid shimmer. This provides the longest-lasting protection for your vehicle. Enjoy durable protection that lasts for 2 to 3 months between applications. It layers perfectly over sealants, ensuring your car stays protected and looking its best. This formula is great for all colors and paints. It enhances the depth and shine regardless of your vehicle's finish. What we like. Experience the ultimate in depth and shine with this pure Carnauba paste wax. If you are a dedicated enthusiast chasing that deep, wet, warm gloss for show cars, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who appreciate the traditional look and feel of Carnauba and want to layer it over a sealant for maximum visual impact. What people say. This product is a great all-in-one solution that cleans, polishes, and protects your car's finish. It leaves a deep, rich shine and provides long-lasting protection against the elements. The wax is easy to apply and remove, making the detailing process quicker and more efficient. Number 1. Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax. Discover the future of car care with our revolutionary ceramic wax. It provides advanced protection and a stunning shine for your vehicle. Harnessing the power of advanced SiO2 hybrid technology, this formula creates a durable barrier. It repels water and contaminants, keeping your car looking pristine. Applying it is as simple as a spray. Just mist it onto the surface and wipe it off for a brilliant, long-lasting finish. Experience an unparalleled level of gloss and protection. Its advanced formula enhances your car's appearance while safeguarding it from the elements. This generous 32-ounce spray bottle ensures you have plenty for multiple applications. Keep your car looking its best, wash after wash. Elevate your car care routine with this ultimate ceramic wax. It delivers professional results with ease, making it a must-have for any car enthusiast. What we like. This offers advanced hybrid ceramic protection in a convenient spray. If you want to add a durable, water-beating layer of protection and shine to your vehicle quickly and easily, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who want the benefits of ceramic technology without the complexity of traditional waxes or sealants. What people say. This product is a game-changer for car detailing, offering a brilliant shine and long-lasting protection. The 3-in-1 formula simplifies the process by cleaning, polishing, and waxing in a single step, saving time and effort. It leaves a hydrophobic layer that repels water effectively, making subsequent washes much easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.